Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So you want your Etsy payment sales report. Here is the fastest way. So if you use Etsy payments inside Etsy, you can export your full payment history. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to download Etsy payment sales CSV. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So to do all of this, we must access the shop manager, look for finance. But you're gonna ask me how would we do so? So it's basically easy. All we're gonna do is open our device, being sure it's fully connected. This we're gonna go and look for Etsy.com or just Etsy, the keyword. Tap on this thing. It will take you automatically to this page, depending on your region. So now it's time to log in using your email address and password so we can access this dashboard. As you see here, we have the shop manager. All we're gonna do is tap on it. Then go through finances. Look for payment account. Then click download data. Then choose your date range. Select CSV format. Then there will be like a button. Download the CSV or generate CSV. Just wait a few seconds and your file will download immediately. For a bonus tip, use this for revenue tracking, compare deposits with your bank statements, and also download basically for any tax prep. And that's the whole idea here. So I might say it again if you want me to. All we're gonna do is access the shop manager, look for basically a part labeled finances, look for payment account, then download the CSV format. So thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.